Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to make video on TikTok. First step is open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Sign into your account or create one if you don't have it. Then tap on the plus icon at the center bottom of the screen. If you're using first time, then allow TikTok access to your camera and microphone option. Then select one of the effects available in the right part of the screen. And select time you want to long video or short video. Tap the red recording button. Tap the checkmark icon in the lower right part of the screen when you are done recording. Add sound. Got it? And choose the sound you want to add the background music. Tap and check OK. And tap effect. Choosing effect on your video, zoom effect, lake effect, bring, gold, glitch effect. Then tap save. You can also add voiceover. Tap voiceover. Tap or long press to record. Hello, welcome back. In this video I will show you. And tap save. If you want to trim this video, then tap trim. Then tap OK. If you add filters on your video, then tap filter and choosing the filter you want to add this video. Then tap next is the bottom right. Add a video description, use hashtag, and if you want to mention to your friends, then tap mention and tap. Okay, then tap select cover and choosing cover, tap OK. Tweak the setting according to your preference. Who can watch this video, select privacy, friends, allow comments and allow status. Then tap post. Congratulations, you have just created a first TikTok video. Right now you have posted, you can now share it.
There is also a problem with this video, so ask about these comments. Any problem related to social media and internet, let them know in the comments bar so that a video can be made on it. Please like this video and subscribe our channel and press icon for any updates and notifications. Thanks for watching.